Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today a quick one on how to sharpen a pipe cutter. These things are very useful for certain stuff, but if you used yours on a metal pipe once and then want to try and cut like glass for example, that can be extremely difficult because they dull out quite fast, and even though they are usually replaceable, some cheaper ones are not, and also it's not that easy to find the correct part, so we're gonna sharpen ours today. First of all, we need to remove the blade, otherwise sharpening is gonna be too difficult. Then you want to get yourself a bench vise in order to hold the blade. For sharpening, I'm going to use my DMT diamond stones. Diamond stone is really nice here because these are super tough, but you can use any small sharpening stone that you can fit in there. Just some sandpaper probably won't do it. And then we are just going to follow the angle that is pretty much ground in there, as we always do. However, it's not super critical, but as you can see here, we're starting to take away material here and here. That means we have hit the correct angle and it is just a little bit hollow ground. So let's continue like this all the way around the blade. When you're sharpening and you're going all the way around the blade, try to keep your grind very even. The issue is when you cut something that's very hard like glass, only the top parts will actually score the glass, and everywhere where there's a surface defect it just won't. Now repairing larger nicks is gonna be too difficult. I think there's really no way to, without using a lathe, to get this super even. So try to get it as good as possible, but don't sharpen one patch too much. And just like that, we are done. Now this doesn't have to be a razor blade, and if you get it most of the way there, it's probably good. For something like glass, the repair, as I said, it is difficult because of those high spots. But if you use it for metal, like for cutting copper pipe for example, this will do it perfectly because it can just sink into the material. That was it for this video. I hope you liked it and you learned something. If you did, then consider subscribing and giving the video a like, and then I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.